amend the constitution to allow dual national to contest election. Qatar announces changes to labor law. No country can pretend the pandemic is over, WHO said. Islamabad High Court gives former PM Nawaz Sharif one more chance to surrender. This image from Afghanistan: 1 million hurts a lecturer from Kabul University holding and feeding a baby while the infant's mother gives an exam. Chairman CPEC announces new 250 Orange Line metro train jobs. A loud blast hit the Libyan capital Tripoli early on Tuesday, residents said. Pakistan promises good news for Afghan soon on reopening the Turham border for pedestrians. Saudi royal decree removes the commander of the joint forces from the position. Egyptian tourism to return after 5-month hiatus. Pakistan Met Office forecast more urban floods as rain kill 176 since June 15. Apple preparing to build 75 billion 5G iPhone later this year.